Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Yet another day here with the Kona N in sunny California. Today I'm gonna prep the car a bit because this weekend is another Cars and Coffee at the same spot. You might have saw it in the last vlog, but it's gonna be at 2:30, which is a Cars and Coffee shop. So that being that they sell coffee and they work on cars. So super dope. They worked on my car, installed new tires, rear sway bar. Check out the last vlog. I'll drop a link in the description. But today I'm going to be fix an annoying issue that I've had. So let's get into the video. So got a little present here from Mock Racing. Let's check it out. So, gonna be installing this Torcon valve spring. So upgrading this here because I've been getting a little bit of some exhaust rattle. So I've heard these fix the rattle a bit if you have a stock downpipe, which I do. If you have, I've read that if you have an upgraded or aftermarket downpipe, this will stop the rattle for a week and it'll come back. So let's hope it doesn't do that. And again, I got these at Mock Racing. Go check them out. They have a bunch of N parts. And yeah, shout out to Andy. Go check them out, mockracing.com. I'll drop a link in the description for this product, as well as, what's going on with my camera? Where you can get more N parts. But let's get to installing this valve spring. Should be pretty straightforward. I think it's 3 8mm bolts, and then you just pop this new one in. So we'll see. I don't know. I tend to take longer or have problems with things that are simple. So hopefully this goes smooth. So let's get into it. So here's the valve spring. There's 1, 2, and then there's a third one up here, which is, there it is. Let's see if we can get these off and put the new spring on. So stay tuned. There's one. Oops. Would you look at that? Here's the old one. I thought they were supposed to be secure. I guess it just came off. So that was concerning. It didn't go on, but let's put the new one on. Here is the new one. Let's see if it'll go on. I guess just like that. Alright, so I didn't do a before clip, but I do have a previous clip of what it sounded like, so I'll play that now here. And then let's do a cold start and hear if there's a difference, so stay tuned. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but definitely normal rattle like it was before. Again, it could have been that the valve spring just fell out, but that is a way better startup and there's literally no rattle. It might be hard to pick up on camera, but you just have to take my word for it, right? Awesome, glad that that helped fix it. But also did some detailing here. Went with a sort of white pinstriping on the side skirt. I used to have red. I took it off for SOCOM, or SOCOM. Shout out to the gamers out there. But decided to try this white out, and I think it looks great. So here's a sort of montage of me putting that together. Alright, going a little side quest here. I actually have to upgrade or swap out the daily, so I've been driving this Equinox for a while. It's a great family car, served me well, but as the fam upgrades, you gotta upgrade the rides. So gonna go to the bank and then head to CarMax, so I'll take you guys with me once I go check out the car, so stay tuned. All right, new daily acquired. Here it is. Honda boy. Got a new minivan. Barely fits in the garage. More space. Can put these seats down. So yeah, I don't know. Are you guys interested in learning more about this car? Let me know. I know it's not, you know, typical of the channel, but pretty cool nonetheless. So, and I gotta clean and dust off this thing for tomorrow. So gonna try to do that tonight when the kids go to bed. And yeah. Alright, it's the next day. Today's the day of the meetup, but did not get to wipe down the car, fell asleep, putting the kids to sleep, so being old. But gonna go pick up my friend Curtis and we're gonna head to the meet, so maybe when I get to his house, I can just give the car a quick wipe down. Nothing too crazy. Gonna see if I can park in the main area, but most likely we'll park up in the overflow section. On camera, car doesn't look too bad. Just maybe the roof. A little dusty, but let's get ready to get going. No rattle. Pulling up to the homie's house, living in the secret back alley here. Steep ass driveway. Alright, just pulled up. Gonna go wipe the car down a bit and say what's up, and then we'll head over to the meet, so stay tuned. Alright, ready for the car meet?
Let's do it.
I got the merch here, repping the Kona.
This is like cars and coffee, baby.
Let's do it. Got the steep driveway here. Gonna make it. Oh, did it. Hyundai made a good one with this one. I'll park by the other Veloster. There's the fearless leader. What's up?
What's up, homeboy?
How's it going?
Why don't you wait? We're gonna put you inside.
You sure?
You gonna be here most of the day?
Yeah, I'll be here till 12.
Okay, so basically follow me in.
Okay, you're going in right now?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't worry, this ain't mine.
I was gonna say, damn, you got a new Hyundai every week. What's up? Got some room for me?
Yeah, we got room.
All right.
Plenty of room.
Made it. How you been, man?
I'm alright.
All right, I'm gonna go follow Keegan and yeah, we gotta do the back end.
Are we vlogging the vlog?
Man.
Are we vlogging the vlog?
Fire, man.
That's insane. This is Inception. What the?
Did it. Made it in. No casualties. Got YouTube's latest star right here.
Gosh, dude. I got 1,000 views.
There, that's sick, bro. Dude, this is looking good.
Yeah.
Got the Agile kit. Is this the first one with it,
This
right?
was the first one.
Oh.
Now it's, I don't know. Who knows how many?
Man,
Hey, but
one
we're
of
here.
one, bro.
We out here.
I know. It looks so good, man. Congrats.
congrats. Yeah, spend the fucking money.
Congrats on spending that money.
Hey, someone's got to do it.
I didn't know we're gonna be in the showroom.
What's up, Steve? Hi.
Staple on the channel here.
Oh, you see that?
Yeah. You get support the at 2:30, great coffee, great food, matcha here. What are you selling over here? Yeah, you got the stuff? What's up, bro? Here we go. Good to see you again.
Matcha?
Yeah.
That sounds good.
Can't go wrong.
Too.
Did you get some?
Yeah, I'm gonna get something here in a minute.
Cool. They're dope.
This is our second time at 2:30, and it's just as big as a turnout as the first time. I'm very happy. It actually looks a little bigger even. First off, we are giving away these SoCal In-Club keychains. If you got one on your vehicle, it's going to be on the passenger side windshield wiper. If you're in the parking lot and we haven't gotten to you, or you just showed up, make sure you see us. We're giving these out for free.
The active exhaust. Jeez. Have you checked it yet?
Not yet, David has.
Oh, David? Yeah, I know. I saw David's when he first got it. The mat's sick though. How is it keeping it clean though? Oh, is there like a matte specific one? There you go.
It's Matt Final.
Hey. It's a good turnout for the parking lot too.
Anybody beat 403 miles? Shortest distance. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah.
It was a super long day. Didn't shoot an outro, so I thought I'd shoot one here. You know, the vlog might not be as polished as some other ones, but just trying to get it out the door. Shout out to everyone who came up, said what's up. Shout out to SoCal N Club. Like I said, the vlog's not as polished, just trying to get it out there. Sorry I couldn't tag everyone, but I'll add them in the description. Or feel free to comment and tag yourself. Let the people know that you're in the video. And yeah, hopefully you can keep continuing to attend and capture the N culture here in California and hopefully eventually in other places. That'd be awesome. So if you like that video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.